We're gonna be cooking again, and this time we're gonna cook chicken, but it's not your ordinary chicken because we'll be cooking with dark beer. This is dark beer, San Miguel.
Arghentrock.
The first thing to do is to wash the chicken. These are the main ingredients. We've got the chicken, we've got garlic, we've got oyster sauce, we've got soy sauce, and we've got rice wine. So we will be using these for the marinade. And later we will be frying the chicken and adding our San Miguel dark beer. So we're going to mince the garlic. So using this simple mortar and pestle. So we're going to prepare the marinade. So we're going to directly add it to the chicken. So we're mixing the marinade directly into the chicken. If you notice, we did not remove the skin of the garlic because that actually adds flavor. So we're adding the oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce.
That doesn't look like oyster sauce.
It is oyster sauce.
That looks like slime.
Yeah, you'd like that, don't you?
No. I'm hungry.
Yes, we're cooking. That's why we're cooking this dark chicken. And we're gonna cook it with beer. You're not allowed to drink beer, but if it's used for cooking, of course you can eat the chicken.
I'm hungry.
So this is the soy sauce. So this is ordinary Silver Swan soy sauce. It's not exactly light soy sauce, but it's also not exactly dark or thick soy sauce. So we added 3 tablespoons, oh, 4 tablespoons of Silver Swan soy sauce. And this is the rice wine. This is actually Korean rice wine. So we got this from a Korean store, a fine Korean store. So we are adding 4, 3 tablespoons. I always get my numbers wrong. So we mix everything. So it's just like marinating adobo. We're going to use dark beer. So once it's mixed, you can let it stand for about 30 minutes. If you want to, you can let it stand for 2 hours, and if you can, put it in a bag and leave it in the refrigerator for overnight. So that should do the trick. We'll be frying the chicken first here, and then we'll be adding the marinade. Adding the cooking oil. Spread it out a bit in the pan, and you'll know when the cooking oil is hot enough because it will start bubbling. I can feel the heat. So that's a bamboo skewer, and you see the bubbles. That means the oil is already hot. Now we're ready to put the marinated chicken in. Ooh! Don't you love that sound? That, my friend, is the sound of hunger. Okay, so we're gonna be cooking the chicken for a while. Yep, not yet. We're turning the chicken over. Looking good. Wow, the oil is popping. We've got popping oil. Oh, starting to smell really nice. Yeah, I think this is going to be one of the tastier chicken dishes that we've ever cooked. Alright, so we've got some chicken that's already cooked. So these are ready, but we're not done yet. Lots more needs to be done. Wow, look at what we have here. We have all the chicken cooked. So this is the pan with all the oil and some of the leftover burnt garlic. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're gonna return all this chicken in here, and then we're going to add the leftover marinade. And so we're removing some of the oil, or at least at most of the oil. Yeah. Alright, so we've removed most of the oil. We're going to put all these chicken pieces. Yeah, these are going back in there. Oh, and our dark beer. We have to have our dark beer ready. So that's dark beer from San Miguel. Yeah, it's a good thing we lessen the oil, because if there was a lot of oil in the pan, I don't know. Yeah, so we're going to add the leftover marinade. Okay, so there you go, and now we'll be adding the beer, the dark beer. Okay. Now pour the beer right in the middle. All of it. Yep. It's okay, all of it. There you go. Now, after the beer, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Do we have brown sugar? Okay, we're going to use brown sugar. So the flame is up to, I think this is medium right now. It's high. Yeah, the flame is at high. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is Pure Gold sugar, brown sugar from Pure Gold, not sponsored. And we're going to mix it a little bit. And yeah, one more thing. We forgot to add some chili. Chili is important. But if you don't like chili, it's okay. You don't need to add any. Okay, we've got some dried chili flakes here. We're just going to add just a little bit. Okay. There you go. You can add more if you want to. Depends on your taste. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes simmering on low heat. That's at low heat. Look at those bubbles. And that's that aroma. Okay, so we're going to turn up the heat. So this is going to reduce at high heat. Okay. Increase the heat. So that's going to reduce. Oh, I can taste this already. Can you? Okay, so just in time it's reduced. I think it's ready. Yes, it's ready. Yep, even the dog knows it's ready. Okay, that's it. Can shut down the flame. Look at that.
Kasi yung sugar.
It came in a bit too late, so it's a bit too reduced, but
Yung tama lang.
okay, so
Kaya
it's
lang
just right.
talaga yung sugar niya.
Oh yeah, I can smell the sugar.
Yung sugar. Amoy mo?
Yeah, it reduced so fast. I can smell the caramelized sugar. Alright, so we've cooked our dark beer chicken using San Miguel beer, dark beer. Alright, so I'm gonna, yeah, so this is my plate. Right, so I'm gonna eat now. I'm gonna take this drumstick. I'm gonna take some of those charred pieces. Well, they're not really charred, but okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Amazing. The meat's so soft and tender. It's delicious. It's spicy. It's garlicky. Smoky. Can't wait to have another bite. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, perfect. I think we can do better, but this is already perfect. Awesome. Yeah. The meat is so soft and tender. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really good. Highly recommend. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, our dark beer San Mig chicken. And stay safe. See you around next time.